This is a brand new Pilates class in which we're going to focus on our back. You don't need any equipment, just a mat and a little bit of space around you. And when you got that, let's start with a quick warm-up. We start in a standing position today. Open your feet more than shoulder width apart. Your toes are looking to the side and bend your legs softly. Push your knees to the side, squeeze your little toe into the ground, and let's start to find our way back to the Pilates breath. Bring your hands to your rib arches, and if it feels comfortable for you, close your eyes so you can bring all your awareness to your body and your breath. Take some deep breaths into your belly, into your hands, so into your rib cage. Fill your lungs, your body with oxygen. And breathe out. Breathe everything out you don't need anymore. And next, when you inhale, try only to breathe into your hands. Exhale, draw your belly button in and up, and exhale through pursed lips. In through the nose. Out through pursed lips. Draw the belly button in and up, and try to keep that tension in your abs as you inhale as well. Exhale. Strong powerhouse here. Inhale. And exhale, imagine blowing out some birthday candles. Good. Now you don't breathe into your belly anymore. Just breathe in your rib cage, in your flanks, in and out. Keep your shoulders low. In through the nose. Out through pursed lips and open your eyes. Come back into the room. Good. Inhale, open your arms to the side. And exhale, let's move to the left into a lunge position. Again, open, inhale. And exhale, move to the left to the same side again. Last one, inhale, open your chest nice and wide. And exhale, stay in the lunge position. Make sure to bend both legs and to keep your feet shoulder width apart so you create a stable stance. Arms are moving forward, and then you're gonna exhale, imprint position. Tuck your tailbone under and inhale, release. And if it feels comfortable for you, hyperextend the lower back. Use all the flexibility of your spine. Exhale, imprint, lengthen the lower back. Inhale, release the tension. And if you want to hyperextend, good. If you don't want to hyperextend the spine, just release the tension and come back into the neutral spine position. Let's go for 2 more. Exhale, inhale. Mobilize the lower back. And with the next exhalation, keep the imprint position and exhale, round your upper back. Inhale, the crown of the head is pulling you back up to the sky. Exhale, imagine someone is pulling your arms forward. Look to your belly button. And inhale, come back up. Good. Pull your shoulder blades apart as you round your spine. Enjoy the stretch in your back muscles. Let's go for 2 more. Both legs bent. Keep your lower spine long. Last one. Inhale, bring both hands together and elbows high. Exhale, rotate towards your front leg. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale. And inhale. Good. Let's warm up the spine into all possible directions. We round and stretch, we rotate. Good. If you want more, add 2 pulses. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Warming up the fascial tissue. Good. Shoulders low, neck is long. Last one. And then come back, exhale, lengthen your arms. Inhale, let's go for a back bend. And exhale, come back. Make sure you don't collapse into your lower back. So stay steady and calm in your lower spine. It's more about lifting the chest upwards. So imagine there's a thread attached to your sternum, which is pulling your chest up. So stay strong in your powerhouse to protect your lower spine. Let's go for 2 more. Last one. Inhale, look up, open up that chest, and exhale, come back. Then rotate your right leg outwards, maybe give your legs a little shake if you need to, and then bring your fingertips behind your ears. Make sure to push your knees backwards to rotate your thighs backwards, bend your legs, and with the exhalation, come into side bend. The last possible direction for our spine here. Inhale all the way up. Open up that lateral flank. Try to touch your front thigh with your elbow. So always think about moving in full range of motion. Use all your flexibility here. Exhale. If you want a little progression, then let's add 2 pulses. Make your fascial tissue more elastic, more flexible, and stronger. Let's go for 2 more. Stack both shoulders above each other. Roll the upper shoulder back and down, and then come back to center. And we're gonna switch to the other side. So turn the left leg in and out again. Exhale. And inhale. Let's go for 2 more. Last one, meet me in the lunge position with your feet shoulder width apart, bend both legs. Exhale, find that imprint position in which you're gonna lengthen the lower back. Inhale, neutral spine position or hyperextend. Good. And then again, think about connecting movement with breath. So exhale, tuck your tailbone under, sitting bones are facing down to the floor. Inhale, release. Mobilize the lower spine. Last one. Exhale, stay in the imprint position. Inhale, lengthen your spine upwards. Exhale, pull the arms forward, pull the shoulder blades apart. And as you inhale, you pull the shoulder blades together. Good, strong mid-back muscles. Exhale, round, look to your belly button. Inhale, come all the way up. Good. If you have problems with the balance, make sure to really open the feet shoulder width apart, or maybe a little bit wider if you need to, and don't stay here. So stay in the stable stance so you can really focus on your spine here. Let's go for 1 more. Exhale, pull the arms forward, create a wonderful stretch. Your upper back muscles. Inhale all the way up, hands together. Exhale, rotate towards your front leg. Inhale back to center. Your gaze is going back also, so you have here a wonderful mobilization in your cervical spine as well. Not only in your thoracic spine. Lumbar spine is steady and calm. And if you want the progression, add 2 pulses. Good. Think about your powerhouse. Protect your lower spine. Shoulders low. Let's go for 2 more. Explosive exhalation. And then come back. Inhale. Exhale. Extend your arms. Inhale, back bend. Lift your chest. Exhale, come back into the starting position. Lift your chest and come back. Don't arch your lower back. Let's go for 2 more. Last one. Look up, shoulders low, and exhale, come back. And then open, turn your left leg in, bring your fingertips behind your ears, maybe check out for a second if you need to. And when you're ready, let's move with me into the lateral flexion here, to the side bend for our spine. Imagine you're stuck between two walls, you just can't move to the side. So make sure you're not rotating forward. Keep both shoulders above each other. If you want the progression, add 2 pulses. So we're gonna pulse, pulse, inhale, back to center. Squeeze a little toe into the ground. Knees and pelvis are not moving. Last one. And then come back, inhale, exhale, bend both legs even more. Inhale, shift all your weight onto the left leg. And exhale, come back down. Again, same side here. So put all your weight onto the left leg. And then with control, slowly work without swinging. You come back to center. Good. Now we're going to work for deep muscles, which are located directly at our vertebral bodies. So they are super important for our spine. They support, protect our spine. But you can't activate them consciously. Things have to be shaky. So if you need more, then lift the right leg off the floor. Try to find your balance with the help of your deep muscles. Good. The leg doesn't have to be high. It's just about challenging ourselves to find our balance. Good. And exhale, bend both legs. Inhale all the way up. Exhale with control. Slowly bring your toes down, ground your heel, and then you come all the way up. Good. Last one. Then meet me on the left leg. Find your balance here. Breathe, close your rib arches. And then we're gonna add some chopping movements with our arms here to really challenge our deep muscles again. Let's go. Think about moving your arms in front of your upper body so you can really close your rib arches and you really can stay strong in your powerhouse. Keep your standing leg slightly bent. Good. Think about the Pilates breath. Exhale through pursed lips. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Exhale, stop the movement. Inhale, grow up. And exhale, come back to center. We switch to the other side. So inhale, shift all your weight onto the right leg. And exhale, slowly roll to your through your foot. And then you come back up. Good. Push the knee to the side. Protect your knee here. Okay, and then when you're ready, let's go for the progression. So lift your leg, and with control, you come back down. Work slowly. Good. Think about the Pilates principles. Work with your breathing rhythm. So when I'm too fast or too slow for you, keep going in your own pace. Work with all your awareness, with muscle-mind connection. So think about the muscles which are working here, the deep core muscles, which are super important for our spine and our upright posture. A little bit of thighs and calf muscles as well. Good. Next, you hold it on the right leg. Stabilize yourself, balance, and then add the chopping movements. Into the nose. Out through pursed lips. Make sure not to tilt to the side. Stay in the center here. Abs are helping. 2 more. Powerful little movements here. And with the next exhalation, stop the movement. Inhale, grow up, and exhale, release, shake it out for a second. Good work. Now turn the feet inwards so we create a parallel stance with your feet shoulder width apart. And then you're gonna inhale, extend the spine, and exhale, bend the legs, roll down vertebra by vertebra, draw the navel in. And inhale, hold for a second, release the tension in your back, and when you exhale, you roll back up again, vertebra by vertebra. Inhale, chest nice and wide, and exhale, allow your head and your arms to become heavy, but keep the tension in your powerhouse. Inhale, rest, and exhale, come all the way up. Inhale, prepare for the roll up and roll down. Relax your neck, soften your shoulders, and all the way up. Inhale, roll your shoulders back and down, and exhale, roll down. Now stay low, and with your inhalation, you place your hands against your shins. Good. Exhale, strong powerhouse. And when you inhale, you lengthen your spine, strengthen the back muscles, pull the shoulder blades together. And exhale, drop. Head is heavy. Inhale, press your hands against your shin. Keep your legs bent so you have lots of space for moving your spine. And exhale, release. Good. Inhale, lift your heart and your chest with the power of your back. And exhale, release. Soft back muscles again, melt down. Good. Stick with this exercise if this is fine for you. If you need a progression, then inhale, stay long in your spine. Exhale, release the right arm and lift up to the side. And inhale back. Bring your hand towards your shin again. Switch to the other side. Lift your arm and release. Bring the hand back to your shin. A little butterfly exercise to strengthen your mid-back muscles, the so-called rhomboid muscle. If you need even more, then lift both arms at the same time. Crack the imaginary nut with your shoulder blades. And inhale, release. Keep the spine long all the time. Keep your weight in your heels. Send your hips backwards. And your gaze is going down to the floor, so you can keep your neck in one extension to the rest of the spine. Muscle-mind connection. Pull the shoulder blades together. Mid-back muscles are working. Good. Let's go for 2 more in your level. Good. 1 breath for 1 movement. Don't stop breathing. And when you're done with your second repetition, relax your spine. Woo, relax the head, the shoulders. Grab the elbows, the opposite elbows, and swing from side to side. Good. Release any bad tension of your back. Swing from left to right, from side to side. Good. And then make sure you have enough space behind you. And then just bring your hands on the ground. And then you step backwards. Meet me on all fours. As you probably know, when you strengthen the back muscles, it is also super important to strengthen the abdominal muscles so you don't create any muscular imbalances. So make sure to check out the rest of the workout in my online studio. You can find the link in the top comments down below. See you there.